Hi everyone, and welcome to How-FixIT. In this step-by-step video guide, I will show you how to replace the fan in your Xbox Series S. To disassemble your Xbox Series S, you will need the following tools: Torx T8 and Torx T10 screwdrivers, plastic pry tools, and anti-static tweezers. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your Xbox. Thanks to the magnetic base, the screws stay on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. Also, in the description, you can find a link to a video where I show you how to restore a water-damaged Xbox Series S controller. I hope with your controller everything is okay, but if that happens, you will know what to do in that case. Let's start disassembling the Xbox Series S. Remove the two white covers located on the bottom corners of the game console housing. Remove two screws with a Torx T8 screwdriver. Use a Torx T10 screwdriver to remove the next 7 screws. Push apart the two corners of the plastic case and slide the chassis towards you. Now you can lift up the chassis. For an Xbox Series S fan replacement, use this part number. Also, in the description, I left a link where you can buy a replacement fan for the Xbox Series S. Now the Xbox Series S is assembled and ready to use. I really appreciate you watching my video guide. If you have any questions, please leave them below. You are on How-FixIT, and see you guys next time.